Radio. Hi guys, welcome to the FIFA 17 pack opening part 2. Let's see what we get. Let's go on to the pack. Why do we have to start off the video with a bad player? Like, really good, but why do we have to start it with a bad card? Goal on, yes, get in there. Look at my dip. Look at my dip. Look at that dip. But next, gold on, gold on, gold. Yes. Oh my God, boys, girls, gentlemen, whoever's watching, radio, we got a player. I can't pronounce his name. Isaiah. We've got the best card. Well, not the best card, but we've got a good card. We've got to go wrong. Come on, it has to be good. Come on, no, Man United. Come on. We need the Man United. Man United. Man United. No. Why do you give us a bad card? Why? My viewers want to see good cards. Come on. Let's see. Oh, God's sake. Oh my God. Let's see. So let's open another pack. Let's just take a photo then. So we've got Cam. Ah, good, but not a good card. Let's see who we get here. Oh my God! 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 So we got that card set up in there. Let's see which we gonna get now. We have. Come on. Bad card. Bad card. Why do you have to give us Hector? Snap! Gold. No. Sure, I'll take it. So, next card, pack out gold. Come on, give us something good. Okay, Limos. Next card. Next pack. Gold? No, it's not going to give us gold, is it? No, okay. Don't give us gold. Your choice. Come on, Dab. Why have you given us another Cam? Oh no, Can Ailes. Oh, don't forget to subscribe, leave a like, leave a comment, and in the first 30 minutes of the video I'll be commenting back to all you guys. So let's see, gold, come on. There we go. No, we get him. Next pack. Biz, be good. Biz. Ooh, golden. We got a gold. Let's see. Good person. We got a gold though. Let's see what we get. We get a silver. That bronze kind of type, but we don't want the bronze. We want a gold. Gold, yes. Gold is how we like it. Gold is how we like it. Next pack. The damn gold, bah. Da. Woo, baby, baby. Come and give me FIFA 17 opening pack. We got Coke. Next. Dab. Gold. Gold. That's how we gold. 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 That's how we like it. Gold. Oh my god, a Liverpool character, yeah, boys. Let's get next pack. Boom, boom. Next pack, 5. Let's do 5 more. Oh, I didn't. Gold, come on, gold. Gold. 1. Oh, this is bronze. We don't want bronze, we want gold. 3rd one. Come on, let's see what we get. Another bronze. Really? No, yes. No, let's see, 5th. 4th, I mean. Let's see, gold. Yes. One more. Yes, boys, let's get in. Get in there. Right, that's all we have for time for today. Hope you enjoyed the FIFA 17 opening pack series. That's going to be going on for about a week or so. Hope you enjoy. Leave a comment. Every 30 minutes of the first 30 minutes of I uploading, I will comment back to you guys. So see you guys next time. Bye.